Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're answering the big question, can you install SteamOS on a PC? Let's break it down. Well, SteamOS is Valve's gaming-focused operating system, originally designed for the Steam Deck, their handheld gaming device. It's based on Linux, specifically Arch Linux, and uses Proton to run Windows games on Linux. That means you can play a huge library of Steam games without Windows. So, can you put it on a regular PC? The short answer is yes. People have successfully installed SteamOS on desktop computers. You can run it both desktop mode and gaming mode, and in some cases, games even run better than on Windows. But there are a few catches. Hardware compatibility. Currently, SteamOS works best with AMD hardware. Intel users may run into issues. For its software, it has limitations. While Steam games run great, other desktop apps may not, so you'll probably still need Windows for non gaming software. For its setup, since it's based on Arch Linux, installation and setup can be tricky for beginners. And in short, yes, you can install SteamOS rather, on a PC, and it can be excellent for gaming. But if you rely on general software, Windows is still essential. SteamOS is perfect if your focus is gaming performance and trying out a Linux-based gaming environment. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.